As we look into the legacy of these warriors, each played a crucial role in their battles. Geronimo exemplified unmatched courage as he led his people against greater odds. Crazy Horse, a symbol of defiance, galvanized his warriors in one of the most significant victories for Native Americans. The stories of these leaders serve as powerful reminders of resistance and resilience. Did you know who were the 5 deadliest Native American warriors in history? 5? Pontiac. His campaigns united multiple tribes and nearly pushed the British out of the Great Lakes region. 4. Geronimo, a fearless leader and guerrilla fighter. Geronimo led raids across the Southwest against Mexican and U.S. forces. 3. Crazy Horse. Crazy Horse played a pivotal role in defeating Custer at the Battle of the Little Big Horn, one of the most notable Native American victories. 2. Teamsa, a warrior and visionary leader, Teamsa sought to unite all native tribes against U.S. expansion. 1. Sitting Bull, a spiritual leader and warrior, Sitting Bull inspired resistance against U.S. expansion. The tribes thrived on their ability to adapt strategies for survival. Through teamwork and wise counsel, they developed methods to combat outside pressures. This spirit of cooperation among tribal leaders. The tribes' secret strategies extended beyond warfare. They also involved preserving their rich cultural heritage. Women played an integral role, using their artistry to strengthen community ties, while ensuring traditions were not lost. Meanwhile, the warriors maintained a deep respect for nature, learning to communicate with the land and animals, which was essential for their survival. Education held a special place within the tribes, as elders shared knowledge of the cosmos and their ancestors. These gatherings under the stars not only fostered learning, but also strengthened community bonds. Collective efforts like building ceremonial lodges, spiritual practices were central to tribal life, with rituals that connected them to their ancestors and the earth. The shaman's dance was not just a performance, but a vital expression of spiritual beliefs, reinforcing their identity. Simultaneously, the tribe's sustainable fishing methods showcased their respect for natural resources, highlighting an adaptive strategy that ensured their survival for generations.